Looking to add a few zeros into your bank account? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 side hustle jobs to make an extra $2,000 a month. Make sure that you stick until the end of the video, where I'm going to show you the most profitable side hustle opportunity today. First of all, Uber driver. It's a great opportunity if you like to work really hard. If you're interested to be your own boss, no one telling you what to do. On top of that, you will be listening to amazing stories from people. And on top of that, they will turn sometimes your car into a nightclub. Then maybe Uber driver is the right way forward. You have flexible hours and you have cashless transactions. It is also great for you to meet different type of people from different backgrounds. So how do you make $2,000 a month being an Uber driver? Well, it's pretty simple. Uber drivers are being paid about $20 an hour. In order for you to make $2,000 extra a month, you will have to work an extra 25 hours a week. The prerequisite to become an Uber driver is pretty simple. You need to have a driving license and your own car. In terms of complexity, this extra job is pretty simple. The major drawback of being an Uber driver is that your salary will not increase with time. Secondly, a personal trainer. If you're someone that is in shape and you love everything related to gym, working out, and also great diet, then maybe being a personal trainer is a great opportunity. It's a great opportunity for you to help other people, but also give you the flexibility to work at different times of the day. It is great because you will have to work on your skills and constantly be learning in order to get the best possible workouts, but also the best possible diets. In terms of complexity, it is a little bit more complicated. I would say maybe 2 out of 5. You will have to learn the science behind how the body works and how the body burns fat. Short term, you will be looking at making about $20 an hour. But long term, you can make up to $50 an hour. It's a great opportunity if you want to make extra money. So how do you make $2,000 extra as a personal trainer? It's pretty simple. You will have to work between 10 hours if you make about $50 an hour, or 25 hours if you make about $20 an hour. If you're getting value in this video and you're interested to make more money, then make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe for more similar content. Number 3, being a photographer. It is a great opportunity if you like going into different environments, if you like taking pictures in nature, in meetings, model, photo shoot, all different type of setups. It's a great opportunity as well if you want to meet different people from different backgrounds. And it will reveal the creativity that you have inside you. It is also critical for you to preserve the memories of your customers. To become a good photographer, you will need to buy a good camera at least, and you will have to train, follow trainings online or maybe on-site training to understand the techniques behind good photos. In terms of complexity, we are looking at medium complexity. So it will take a bit of time for you to get up to speed to being a good photographer. At the beginning of being a photographer, you will be making about $25 an hour. But as you're progressing and becoming more and more experienced, as you're getting more customers and more reviews, you're looking at making about $70 an hour. So for you to make an extra $2,000 a month, you will have to work between 7 hours and 20 hours a week. Number 4, video editors. If you're someone that is passionate about working with videos, creating amazing stories, if you're good at storytelling, but at the same time you're creative, and you're willing to put in the work to work on different type of videos, videos for YouTube, videos for the TV, videos for movies as well, then being a video editor is a great opportunity. And you will be working on different content and adding your personality into the videos as well. As a result, you will be more and more exposed to people that work in the industry. The content creators, for example, also Everyone that is actually on social media that want to have a specific type of video that they want to share with their friends or family members. In order to work on the videos, you will definitely need a good computer or laptop. But on top of that, you will have to understand how the video editing works, how the transition work, how the video effect work, how the lightning, and the different way you can actually shorten a video or make it a bit longer. There are lots of different techniques into video editing, but if you're a good video editor, you can make anything in between $25 an hour to $100 an hour. The complexity is a bit higher, but the reward is great. For you to make $2,000 extra as a video editor, you will be looking at anything between 5 hours a week to 20 hours a week. But what I particularly like about video editing is that you can make a lot more money if you're experienced than if you're a beginner. We are looking at 4 or 5 times the amount of money that you would get if you're just a beginner. Before diving into the last opportunity, if you're a man and you want to make more money, you're ambitious, you want to meet men that are already successful or men who are on their journey to success, I recommend you to join our brotherhood groups on Locals. Click on the link in the description below for joining men that are like-minded. And the last opportunity is property trading. If you like to be engaged with other people, if you like to interact and be dynamic, visiting property, selling property, buying property, giving opportunity to investors, then property trading is a great way to make money. But it's not easy. You have to be extremely good at networking, but you also have to be good at the different admin tasks that are required to acquire and to give properties to other investors. It is especially not easy because you have to be on site where the opportunities are. If, for example, you live in a place where all the properties are extremely expensive, maybe you want to live in a place where the yield or the return on capital employed is much better. So there's a bit of sacrifice where you can potentially live as a property trader. The complexity is much higher than the other jobs. You need to learn a lot about the legal process. You need to learn a lot about how you can best choose the opportunity for the investors. And there are different types of opportunity. You can have buy to let, for example, Airbnb, for example. There are different types of investment. At the beginning, you're not going to make money because you're just new and you do not have the network of investors for your trading. But if you're good and you persevere, you can eventually make up to $200 an hour. Consequently, if you want to make $2,000 a month, you just have to work anything in between 3 hours and 20 hours. If you're good and you have traded a lot of properties, you've built your wealth. You can even now invest your money on other properties. It's a great opportunity to network and meet high net worth individuals. So there you go, folks. These are the 5 side hustle opportunities to make an extra $2,000 a month. Let us know which one caught your attention in the comment section below. If you're interested to know the 5 signs that show that you will be successful, watch this video